Shalom, giving all praises to Yahweh, Bahashem, Yahweh Shai, Bahashem, Rabbi Kodash, the modern set apostles of Great Millstone, that rule well, peace, love, and blessings also to you brothers on the highways and byways, giving all diligence to make your call and election short, and also blessings to the very few sisters out there that are listening, learning, and believing. I'm Nafele Kanakla, coming at you once again from the branch down here at GMS, Tampa. All right, and Lord, through the spirit and power, Yahweh Shemar Shai's lessons edifying and exhorting. And this lesson will basically be the signs of the times, all right? Signs of the times. And, we're looking for a sign, all right? The scriptures say a wicked, we'll come out to Luke 21, a wicked, let's see if we can find it. Bear with me. Bear with me 1 sec. Let me get this precept, Baba Gashah. St. Matthew's 16. We'll just pull it up right here real fast. St. Matthew 16 and 24 from the NKJV. I wanted the KJV. It says, a wicked and adulterous generation seeketh after a sign. Okay, and this is that wicked and adulterous generation. Okay, we're living in that wicked and adulterous generation. We are that wicked and adulterous generation. Okay, seeketh after a sign, and there shall no sign be given unto it, but the sign of the prophet Jonas. And he left them and departed. Okay, but here it is now. We're now even closer to the end. Okay, the end of the end days. Okay, and more signs are being shown. All right, outside of just the prophets. Okay, because the prophets is a sign. All right, of God, so to say. All right, the prophets are a sign of the return of the Lord. Okay, because that's what the Lord would do before he made his move. He would send forth his servants, the prophets, okay, to tell the people. One precept to back it up is Jeremiah 28 and 8. Okay, to tell the people that he's about to bring forth judgment. Okay, so here it is, one of the signs. We are in the last days. And a sign we have here from CBS News, it says a bright green comet will soon make its first and likely only appearance. All right, something appear, you see it. Okay, it says likely and only appearance in recorded history, and it may be visible to the naked eye. The new year has just begun, but the cosmos are already set to make history in 2023. Okay, a comet discovered less than a year ago has traveled billions of miles from its believed origins at the edge of our solar system and will be visible in just a few weeks during what will likely be its only recorded appearance. Okay? So, we're not going to read too much into this article. Basically we got the headlines. That's all we need. Okay? Concerning this. So, as I stated, through the Spirit, that's a sign. So let's get some scriptures. Going back to Luke 21. Okay. Luke 21, and we're going to start at we're going to start at 22. This video is not going to be long. Luke 21 and 22. It says, "For these be the days of vengeance, that all things which are written may be fulfilled." And as Elder Tahar coined the year 2023, forget exactly word for word, but 2023, the hopeful year that all prophecies are fulfilled. And we're looking for all prophecies to be fulfilled, Lord willing. We're hastening that day, all right? So the kingdom of heaven can, basically can come. It says, "But woe unto them that are with child, and to them that give suck in those days, for there shall be a great distress in the land, and wrath upon this people." And this is talking about basically, the 70 AD when the Romans sacked Jerusalem. Okay, but we still apply it today, because basically the same thing is going to happen again. Okay, Esau is going to send his then they call them Gurga troops, his NWO troops, New World Order troops, to basically enact order on the planet Earth. Okay, as they say, martial law, police state, all those sort of things. Okay. But once to them, verse 24, "And they shall fall by the edge of the sword, and shall be led away captive into all nations." Let you know that this is talking about 70 AD. "And Jerusalem shall be trodden down of the Gentiles until the time of the Gentiles be fulfilled." And the time of the Gentiles has been fulfilled. Verse 25. It says, and this is the point, and this is twofold, okay? Because this now, this is a future prophecy, so to say. It's talking about the times we're living in now. It says, "And there shall be signs in the sun and in the moon and in the stars." All right. So this comment, okay, this is a sign. All right. In the heavens. "And there shall be signs in the sun and in the moon and in the stars, and upon the earth the stress of nations with perplexity." I think the brother from the camp, Ash, the elder brother, he put up I think in Paris, there's look like a war zone over there. Okay. It says, "With perplexity, the sea and the waves roaring." Okay. "Men's heart filling them for fear, and for looking after those things which are coming on the earth, for the powers of heaven shall be shaken." Okay. And that's you talk about those nuclear missiles. Okay. That this is now going to a future prophecy, because it said until the time or the times until the Gentiles shall be fulfilled. Because right now there are actual Gentiles in Jerusalem. Okay. Actual Gentiles, actual other nations in Jerusalem. But that time has been fulfilled. All right. This is that time. It says, "Men's heart failing for fear, and for looking after those things which are coming on the earth, for the powers of heaven shall be shaken." Talking about those nukes, those missiles. "And then shall they see the Son of Man coming in a cloud with power and great glory." And that cloud is what you call so-called UFO. Okay. The Lord is coming back with a heavenly host of angels, and it's going to be an invasion, so to say. Okay. With power and great glory. Because you look at the etymology of the word cloud. It just literally means that something that overshadows something. All right. The cloud, it makes a shadow. It covers something. You're like, oh, it's clouding my memory. You got something basically blocking and covering your memory. And that's what's going to happen. Those ships are going to cloud and block out the sky. There's going to be so many of them. It says, and when these things begin to come to pass, then look up and lift up your heads, for your redemption draweth nigh. So, the Lord is sending us a small sign, okay? And here's a sign this brother GMS News and Moth, he posted.
In the U.S. state of California, saw record flooding on the last day of 2022. Heavy rains brought about a phenomenon known as an atmospheric river, leading to the closure of U.S. Highway 101, one of California's most famous routes. By 5 p.m. on Saturday, San Francisco had recorded almost 13.84 centimeters of rain. That's just below the local record of 14.07 centimeters, which was set in November 1994. The city's streets were flooded due to the deluge. Authorities in Northern California had issued evacuation orders due to the torrential rains. Residents in various parts of the state were also asked to take shelter. A flood watch had been issued for about 16 million people. It was for the entire Bay Area and Central Valley and lasted through the night and into the new year. The rains were caused by what's called an atmospheric river. It is a long, narrow region in the atmosphere which can transport moisture thousands of kilometers. The stream brought the record rains and winds. Wind speeds ranging from 50 to 80 kilometers an hour are expected to last through New Year's Day as well.
As you can see, that's another sign. Here it is, record-breaking floods. Okay, these are all signs. Let's close out one precept. Right to the point, Revelation 22:7. Behold, I come quickly. Yahushua speaking. Blessed is he that keepeth the sayings of the prophecy of this book. Okay? Because that's how we measure the times, according to the prophecies. All right? The coming of our Lord. His arrival. So with that, Lord's willing is edifying, giving all praise to Yahweh Shai. Till next time, say shalom.